today's video I've done a little sneaky review on this little palette. It is the Huda Beauty dupe, I'm telling you. It's from Primark and it's called the Berry Velvets palette, and this was £3 and you get 9 shades in this. You get 4 shimmer shades and 5 matte shades, and it's like got purple shades in there, you've got some nice light shades, and this is £3 guys. And wait until you see my review. This is the look I come up with today. I've done like a spotlight. I've never done a spotlight before, so it could be absolutely terrible, but I think for me, I've done quite well. I mean, just a disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist, never been trained to be a makeup artist. I just love makeup in general. Also, I want to point out that Tony has helped me set up my camera. So hopefully guys, the lighting is a lot better in this video. I'm so sorry about my lighting. Something went wrong with my camera and all the settings went completely bizarre, so I do hope that the settings is okay in this video. And we'll do a few swatches, so I'll do the middle row. So that's from the middle row guys, and I'm sorry about my swatches are awful. And then I will do the bottom row. I mean, that's a £3 palette. This is an absolute steal. I will just get into the video. If you are new here, my name's Tara. I post every Monday and Friday. Also put in bonus videos here and there. Also, if you haven't already, then please click on that subscription box and become part of my family here on my YouTube channel and join the fun and the madness. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you do get updated every single time I upload a video. And let's get into it. Let's see how I created this look using this palette, and I will see you very soon. Stay beautiful and I love you all. This little palette, which is the Huda Beauty dupe, or it looks like the Huda Beauty dupe, and it's £3 guys, and I thought I need to give it a go and try it out. I already primed my eyes using the Revolution Conceal and Define little concealer, so we're all ready just to jump into this little palette. First time Primark's actually doing these little name tag things. I don't particularly like these because I end up losing them, but they are really good for when you're doing tutorials and you want to tell people what shades you're using, so it's good for that, but odds are I'm gonna lose this little guy. The palette looks absolutely beautiful, and I got this berry one because I'm just thinking like all the purple tones at the moment are really in. So let's pop this on my eyes and see what the pigment's like. So using my unicorn, just a unicorn fluffy brush, I'm going to go into this white shade and just put that all over the whole entire lid, and that's just going to set any of the concealer that hasn't been set, and that's called Peace. Also guys, I want to let you know about this. I've been using this for about a month now, and basically I keep trying to remember to let you guys know about this, and basically it's just called Brush Techniques, so I think it's a dupe for the Real Techniques makeup brushing cleanser. So this is a makeup brush cleansing spray, cleansing for natural and synthetic brushes. You get 250ml in here for £1.50 to £2 I think this is. And basically, if you're lazy like me and you haven't got time to clean your brushes, then you just spritz it with this, and then I just use one of these and just swirl the brush in there just to spot clean, because I do clean my brushes but your girl's lazy. So I'm going to go into this middle shade, which is called Sweetness, and pop that into the crease. just going to bring my mirror a little bit closer to see exactly what I'm doing. That's pigmented, guys. Really pigmented. I see you, Primark. You are coming for the makeup game. So I'm just literally barely even touching the lid. I'm just gently sweeping that sweetness shade into my crease by doing backwards and forwards motions and circular motions just to distribute that all into the crease. I cannot get over how pigmented these shadows are, and they're only like £3. And so I think I'm going to go into this little reddy orange colour, and it's called Desire, and I'm just going to go on top of that first shade called Sweetness, and I'm just going to run that a little bit under where I put that Sweetness shade, and just run that into the crease as well. I think I might even do a spotlight. I know I normally do cut crease, but I want to do something out of my comfort zone. To darken it up a little bit, I'm going to use this colour, which is called Wild Hearts. Some really, really nice names as well. Why is it when your boyfriend's on the phone he has to be so loud? I don't know if you guys can hear him, but I can hear him. I'm just going to go back in with the unicorn brush and just lightly blend those colours together. They do blend really, really well together. And I'm now going to go into this really dark purple, and it's called Selfish, and I'm going to pop that on the outer part of my eye. And the inner corner. I'm just going to use the L'Oreal True Match Concealer in Ivory, and I'm just going to cut out the middle part for this spotlight. Do that. So I'm just going to place the concealer down the centre of my eye, just to start that spotlight, and pop this colour onto where that concealer is, and this one's called Humble, and I'm going to pop that on with my finger. Oh my god, look at that colour. So I'm going to pop that on with my finger in the middle. Wow. I mean, it's not like in your face glowing, but it's nice enough. The 230 pencil brush from Zoeva. I'm going to go back into this colour, which is called Sweetheart, and I'm going to run that under my lower lash line. I'm going to go into this orangey red, which is called Desire, and also pop that under my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go into Selfish and Tough Love and mix those two together and pop them under the lower lash line on the outer corner and just bring that in. So that is the little eyeshadow, and that is really, really good, and I will be keeping this. So I'm going to use these lashes that I got in the mystery bag, and I'm going to attempt to put lashes on today. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Ink eyeliner and do a wing. Put a little bit of mascara on, which is the PS mascara, and this is the false lash effect. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. Dried. So that's the lashes on, guys, and they took forever because it's me. And I just decided to put this lipstick on, which is a Makeup Revolution lipstick, and I think this look has gone very vampy very quickly. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, click on that subscription box and become part of my family here on YouTube. Also hit that notification bell, and until next time, I shall see you soon. Bye my loves, stay beautiful.